Good morning, YouTube family. If any of you are new, my name is Callan Wesley, and today I'm going to be taking you through a day of the life living in the beautiful Accra, Ghana. So if you're new, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. Now let's get on with the day and see what I get up to. Usually I try to get up around 7 to 7:30 in the morning because then it means I just get a couple extra hours in the absolutely beautiful country that is Ghana. But last night I went out for some drinks with some friends, so I only got out at about 9. I think it was just before 9 o'clock this morning, so I lost a couple hours. But getting to bed at around 2 o'clock, it just wasn't possible. Me waking up, my alarm went off at 7 o'clock. I was like, I need some more sleep. Put it on snooze, ended up waking at 9 o'clock. But you know what, tonight's going to be a long day, long night, so it'll all work out in the end. All my Ghanaian shirts are still in the wash, so I just threw this one on. It's also really nice, really breathable, because it's probably going to be around real feel 37, 38 degrees. Got a couple of things to do, going to be in and out the car, going to be around the city a bit, so hopefully this will be the best choice. The first stop of our day is at the Palace in Cantonments. We're just grabbing a couple things, getting some things for smoothies, getting some health gains here. You can see they're restocking it. And I've shown this in a previous video. It's really clean. They have really well COVID protocols outside. They have local, international. You got your waters, absolutely everything here. All your cheeses, if it's either locally made, internationally made. And you can see just all the finishes, all the touches. As I said in my other video, it's just a great place to shop. And then I might have a surprise outside the door, so pretty excited for it. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is why I absolutely love this country. Where else can it be that you literally just step out of the supermarket and there's a guy selling coconuts out of his little cart, and you guys know I absolutely love coconuts, and I was like, you know what, I have to get some. He chopped it up for me. I didn't get it on the video because I don't have my main camera with me. I just had my phone. I was like, this is something I have to document. Absolutely love it. I know you meant to just like shove your mouth on it and drink it, but I got a straw. There was a straw in the car, so I'm just gonna, damn, it tastes really good. He's literally out here at the Palace, and then afterwards you can chop it and then even just like dig the coconut out. It is so good. It's cool, but it's still warmish, and then it has that like very potent coconut smell. But if you have a look in the inside, you're going to see the absolute level that is in there. So I'm going to take this with me, sit in the car and sip it while we're on our way to our next shop we're going to stop at. Our next stop off of the day is at this little, it's just got a whole lot of different shops, all one after each other in a row, just off the very busy road. The address will be here obviously if you want to come check it out. They've got a farmer's market, a fish shop, a Pinkberry, Oriental, which is a restaurant. Then they have Fairways. Fairways is rather expensive, but they do have a lot of things if you need, which you cannot find in other places. And then they also have a butchery, which is part of it. Pinkberry is absolutely delicious. I love it there. We're gonna go in there, grab a couple of things. The corona rules here are really good. Everyone has to wash their hands before they enter anything or anything of those type of sorts. So let's get inside and see what we get. We were just digging through this freezer to try and get ourselves some Ben & Jerry's. This is one of the only places you can find it. So I picked myself up this one, which is the vintage or the waffle cone, whatever it's called. Absolutely delicious. And Clayton got the cookie dough switch up, which was like 3 layers deep under the ice. But this is literally all what we came here for. It was honestly such a cool experience. I was just literally closing up the car, busy doing a little bit of filming, and a guy drove past and he was like, oh my gosh, I love your videos. And I was like, no way, you watch my videos? And he was like, yes, I'm half German, I was living in Niger beforehand, and I watched your videos before deciding to move to Ghana. So I was like, it just shows you what a crazy positive atmosphere and family we grow on YouTube. So thank you all so much for everyone that followed me on this journey, and everyone, just hearing stories like that makes it all so much worthwhile. The hours of editing, the hours of sharing the positivity, when you hear stories like that of people moving to Ghana and that because of your videos, because of watching it. So just a great way to just be going on your day. Last night I got gifted a really amazing gift. One of my friends, she was wearing this shirt and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get my hands on one of those. And then I was gifted one last night, which I'm super appreciative over. And the shirt says fellow Ghanaians, and then it's got the president's glasses that he wears on the top. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to throw it on. I just think it would look super awesome just wearing it with jeans or anything like that. And I'll officially part of the country. So let's throw it on and see what it looks like. All in all, it fits me like a glove. I absolutely love it. I love the color. Green of the Ghanaian flag. Green on here. And I just absolutely love it. I'm pretty sure they have an Instagram page or a website. They have them in all different colors, all different sizes. Local from Ghana. Go and check them out. I absolutely love them and really happy with it. One of the things that I just absolutely love about Ghana is the weather. It's just perfect. It's just paradise after paradise after paradise. I've been here around 3 weeks now and it has not rained once. It hasn't even looked like it's come close to raining once. So what we like to do is most of the afternoons, actually I use slightly bigger cups. If you've watched my other vlogs, you've seen the veranda outside. Really nice veranda. We have 4 chairs that you can lie on with cushions, and then we have a moon shaped thing that you can also lie on, which is just really nice. So we usually make drinks. We go and lie outside. Let me grab what we got today. We got 7-Up. Usually we make different types of cocktails. Do not spill everywhere. Yeah. Normally we just make some different types of cocktails, go and lie outside, maybe grab some ice cream. You saw we got some Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry's ice cream is so good. I love the plain cookie dough one. I haven't been able to find it pretty much anywhere, but it's just so good. But I also bought, which I don't think I showed anyone, and I poured these terribly, you can't even see them, but they're foaming like crazy. I bought, I cannot seem to find, they're probably in the fridge, is cannot actually find them anywhere, but I bought 2 bars of just like straight up coconut because I love coconut so much. And even though I had coconut at the guy who was making the coconut water, I didn't want to go to him and be like, can you please chop it up for me now and give me the coconut on the inside. So I just went to the next shop we stopped at and I got 2, I suppose you could call them logs, or 2 bars of just straight up coconut, but I have no idea where they've been hidden now. Usually they just all get put in the same place, which is in that cupboard there, but they're not there now. So I was going to take these outside. We're going to go sit outside and I'm just going to try and get a little bit of a tan. The reason why I couldn't find the coconut bar, I looked absolutely everywhere and I was like, am I losing my mind? I'm sure I bought some of these, and the reason was it was still in the car, so I went to fetch it. I'm only going to have one now because it's very soft. I threw the other one in the fridge. I got my little babies lying by me. Just left me. We just got some Sprite. Just gonna sit out here, eat the bar, take my shirt off, throw some sun cream on, enjoy the sun, and then we'll more than likely hit the gym after this. Gym situation we have where we live. So we've got 3 bicycles, we have 2 treadmills, an elliptical, and then just a multi-purpose machine up there with a whole lot of different weights, starting at like 1 kgs, working all the way up to 30 kgs. You got some skippers, and then another yoga mat. I wasn't even thinking about coming to train. I was really sleeping outside. My brother really came and went to gym. I was like, you know what, let's just go get in a little workout, even if it's just some arms, just keep moving. So I thought, that's what I'm gonna do. So we're just gonna throw the phone down, throw the camera down, and work out for around half an hour. I think a lot of the time people think that I'm absolutely crazy and I over-exaggerate when I talk about the weather, the temperature here in Accra, Ghana. Like, it can't be like this every single day. Just to prove a point, right now you can see outside, not a cloud in the sky. The sun is still relatively high. If I just flick out my phone and show you the time, it is 10 past 5, right? And if I just unlock it with facial recognition, the real feel is 34 degrees. So 34 degrees at 10 past 5. This is how it is like every single day. It is unchanging. No clouds in the sky. It hasn't rained since I've been here. Like I said, we go through most times when it's just like this every single day for months, for weeks on end. And it is just incredible. It is so nice to be out in a country where you can just go outside, enjoy the heat. Don't have to worry about, oh, what do I have to bring jackets? Do I have to bring umbrellas? Do I have to bring everything? I guess what is my normal constant day struggle when I'm in Europe. So it is just so amazing. I love being home. And I really hope everyone enjoyed this video. So if you're new here, the support doesn't go unnoticed. Please just smash that subscribe button so we keep on growing together, getting better together, while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. Today I just wanted to show you a typical day when I'm not going to high-end resorts, not buying local street food, when I'm not going to markets, to just show everyone what I do in a typical day here in Accra, Ghana with my family. I really hope everyone enjoyed this video. I had fun making it, and I'll see you all in the next one.